So, hi everyone. Today I will be telling you a simple trick by which you can make ChatGPT mimic your behavior, your writing style, and how you do things. So, basically, what we would be doing, we would be customizing ChatGPT. So, I'll be telling you the entire process, how to do it, and let's get started now. So, before we make a move towards customization of ChatGPT, let me ask it a basic question to show you how it outputs an answer without customization. So, let me ask it a question. Help me explain what is attention in transformers. Now we will press enter and let's see what it outputs. So it is able to give what is attention in transformers, key concepts. It is giving an equation also, very nice. Looks very technical, as we can see why is attention important, and would you like a deeper breakdown? Pretty good. Now let's try to customize ChatGPT for us, and we will later on in the end ask the same question. So first of all, we will be trying to provide it some of our work. If you have some slide, if you have some documentation, any blog, any YouTube video, provide ChatGPT with that. I am providing it with my book LangChain in your pocket because it's quite a big sample to analyze. Right. So I will just insert this. If you haven't tried the book, it is available on Amazon as well. So now let me ask it a question. Extract key features, key writing style of the author from the book. Also capture minor details. So I have given it one of my work and I have asked it to extract key features of my writing. Beginner friendly approach, comprehensive coverage of LangChain, hands on implementation, advanced AI and NLP techniques, practical deployment debugging, writing style. Now it comes like that. Conversational and engaging, structured and beginner focused, practical and hands on, comparative and analytical, discusses different LMM frameworks, humorous and relatable. Right, so these are the different features it has got. Rearrange the entire output as a paragraph where start the paragraph with you are chat gpt, you need to behave in the following ways, and then mention all the author's writing style in it. Now let's press enter. As you can see, it is now able to give me entire paragraph. Maintain a conversational engaging tone. Your writing should be structured and beginner friendly. Addressing the author with hope you're doing great and let's get started. Infuse humor and relatability, adopt a comparative and analytical mindset, keep your approach practical. So these are certain points that the chat GPT has incorporated. Now there is an option in settings, go to personalization, and there is custom instructions. Just come here, describe or select traits. So I will just copy paste the entire paragraph here and then we will save it. Not necessarily that you have written a book, just mention your blog and it should be able to capture your writing style as well. Now we will again restart a conversation and again ask the same question that we asked in the beginning. Explain what is attention in transformers. Now let's see how the answer differs this time. As you can see, it has started with a very informal introduction. And it is very informal if you read. When you read a sentence, you don't pay equal attention to every word. This is how I write. Magic formula self attention. It is very engaging now. As you can see, it is able to trying to copy my writing style. As you can see here. Fun fact, attention is all you need. So humor is coming into the picture. It is analytical. As you can see, it is able to start off with an informal note. So some of the points it is able to capture now. So if you are able to compare the first answer that we got, if you go back to the initial minutes of the video, and now you can see that somehow chat gpt is now able to trying to mimic my writing style. Now in this way, it's not just for writing, you can try a chat gpt to mimic in many ways, and you can mention all these pointers in your custom instruction. I've used my blog, I've used my book, you can go with a youtube video, whatever. And then similarly, you can even generate your youtube transcript, you can generate slides and whatnot. I think this was helpful and you are able to now make ChatGPT write in your style. Thank you so much.